pero te quiero en mi cuerpo.
Oh, that costume. Is it? Everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So it's been a while since I've reacted to Anitta. So I've seen this latest release called ROMEO. So before I go into this reaction, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone because it's been so long since I've upped on, Anitta's songs. Okay? So I'm eager to know what she's saying in this ROMEO song because it's been a while. So I want to see if she's having the touch as usual. With that being said, let's all venture together. Peace.
Tinham seus anjos por perto. Eles avisavam do perigo quando os demônios chegavam, com asas ou com armas. Aqui ou em outro lugar.
Well, I love the starting. It looks great so far, though. Why is this person here being dyed white? Oh, so I guess this guy is Romeo. All right. See him school thus far, though. See him school.
Sempre estava buscando um vídeo. Não desaparecia.
Oh man, I miss her voice so much, bro. Her voice is so cute, man. Cute! Alrighty. Anitta. Damn, I love her voice, bro.
La disco llena y tú y yo puesto pa' guayar.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Now this is music. And also the visual looks crazy. I guess she's in an angelic costume. And I do like this so far, bro. It's looking cute, man.
Buscando una bandida pa' perrear. Porque te tengo en la mente, pero te quiero en mi cuerpo.
Wow. She's my angel, bro. She's looking as if she's an angel, bro. Damn! Ah! Yo! Wow. Terrific.
Una propuesta indecente, por si te pone Romeo, una aventura. Se está buscando una noche de travesura.
Oh my god! What beautiful music, bro. Damn. This is the reason why I became a fan of her. Because when she sings, her voice shakes the entire place. It also shakes my heart. It also leads me to feel more alive and well, bro. This is Anitta. She's one of the greatest singers of all time. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I guess those people are her guardian angels as well. And her dressing looks so darn awesome, man. So darn awesome. Damn. I do love this, bro. Do love this. Her style, her uniqueness always bring forth fruit, man. Always. Always bring forth fruit. Fruit. Oh my god, I'm having a crush. I'm having a crush here. Oh, damn. She's so superb, bro. She's so superb. Oh, no way, bro. Wow, this video is so energetic. What a beautiful sight to watch, man. This is like a movie, bro. This is like a movie. Oh, come Come here, pretty mommy. Come here, your voice is exquisite. And who is this guy around there, though? Who is this guy? Guy, bro, please be safe, man. Please be safe, bro. Careful, man. I don't want you to be around my woman so much, bro. Bro, back away from my gal. Wow, wow, wow. A sight to be on hold right here. Yes, a sight to be on hold, bro. I have to stare and look at what I'm seeing now. Damn, this is too much for me to handle, man. The video is crazy. Yo, look at her. She's firm, bro. Look at that horse. The video is cool, actually. Where was this video shoot, man? I can see banana trees in the background here. I can see a lot of vegetative things, I think. A lot of vegetation here being displayed. Wow. Awesome. Where is she, bro? Where is she from? Where is she from? Which country is this? No, I'm jealous. I'm fucking jealous. I'm jealous, bro. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. No, bro, you can't do that right here, bro. You can't, bro. You just can't, bro. You can't, man. Bro, you can't, bro. Oh, gosh, you can't, bro. Oh, my. Yo, I'm loving this woman so much, bro. You're doing this? Bro, you can't do this to me, bro. It is not fair, bro. It is not. It is not fair. I'm not going to accept this at any moment. Oh, so this is the Romeo, bro. Oh, gosh, bro. I should have expected that. I should have expected that, man. Well, this is a very romantic video, and I'm here without my spouse. She's twerking on that nigga. She's shaking that ass on that nigga. Bro, bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Oh! Damn. Oh! That costume. Is it? It's awesome, bro. Oh my god, who is this lady, bro? I'm feeling refined now. Damn, bro. Look, just look at how she sits on that nigga, bro. Damn. Damn. Oh, crazy.
Una propuesta indecente, por si te pone Romeo, una aventura. Si está buscando una...
Damn. That walk is sick. That walk is sexy as fuck. Yo, oh my gosh, bro. That walk, bro. That walk. That is the reason why I love her, man. Because she's quite too sexy and remarkable. Damn. Damn, this video is getting even more intense than I expected. Wow. Wow. Damn. Anitta, you're driving me insane at this point. I am no heart, bro. I am no heart. I can't hold it, bro. I can't. Whoa, she's good at dancing as well. Bro, if she dance on me, bro, trust me, I would be like a balloon in that moment, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'd be like a balloon in that moment, bro. When somebody take up in and do like this. Bam! Right there and then. I lost all my sense of humor, dog.
Dame tuya, baby, baby. Hoy tú vas a ser mío, díselo a tu baby. Hoy tú vas a ser mío, yo no dije maybe, baby. Hasta abajo, baby.
Whoa, these women are nice as fuck, bro. They are so sweet, looking really good, dancing really great as well. Can you all please come to Jamaica, come make these um dance moves, come do these performances? Because I'm loving what I'm seeing.
Hazme tuya, baby, tras, tras, baby. Hoy tú vas a ser mío, díselo a tu baby. Hoy tú vas a ser mío, yo no dije maybe.
Whoa, she'd be perfect for me, bro. With all those dance moves, with that look, with that dress code, she'd be perfect. She'd be perfect, my G. Whoa, that ass is shaking, bro. I gotta say, she's literally my superstar now. This is a very good video though, to be honest. It's a very awesome video to watch. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. So the video ended and they are removing back the things where they were before. So that was really good. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, leave a like, share this to Anitta, letting her know that a Jamaican girl literally appreciates her music and love what she's doing. So I'll see you guys in the next video.